Corals is a community with amazing relationship among marine life. Individually, they are among the smallest living creatures, but together, they form a massive habitat for some of the most impressive animals. Without corals, many other creatures will not be able to survive. But how do corals themselves ensure their own survival? Reproduction. Corals are able to reproduce both sexually and asexually. In the case of sexual reproduction, like most of the marine animals, the male and female will release their gametes into the open water. The event known as mass spawning usually occurs under the light of the moon or by specific temperature triggers. The male corals will release their sperm like a cloud of smoke. The eggs, on the other hand, will float upwards from the mouths of the female corals. If not eaten by the many fishes inhabiting the reefs, they will combine and form a planula, a free-floating larvae that is carried by the ocean current until finally settling on a hard surface. Here, a new coral colony grows and establishes yet another home for marine life. With no triggers to bring about a mass spawning event, corals are still able to propagate. One of the ways is by budding. When a mature coral polyp reaches a certain size, it begins to divide. Elongation is followed by the formation of two mouths. Eventually, the corals will separate into two polyps. This continues throughout the coral's life, ever expanding its coverage of the reef. Coral reefs are often sites for sedimentation because of their location being closer to the land than the open ocean. With planulae needing a hard surface to attach, sedimentation proves a challenge for this. The larvae float aimlessly and eventually die from exhaustion of their energy.
Oh my god, it's a turtle! Turtle! Start.